Have you ever wondered if it's actually possible to make a woman miss you, not in weeks or months, but in just a few days? In the next few minutes, you'll discover 5 powerful psychological tricks that can make any woman miss you like crazy, even if she's been distant cold or emotionally pulled away, so you can stop overexting, regain emotional control, and let her come to you naturally without wasting time. Let's get started. Number 1. Pull back your energy strategically. Most men make the mistake of trying harder when a woman pulls away. They text more, call more, and try to fix things, which only pushes her further. Instead, take a quiet step back. Reduce your availability, go silent for a bit, and focus on yourself. Why? Because the human brain craves what it suddenly loses. This is called the psychological reactance effect. When freedom of attention is taken away, desire automatically increases. So, when she notices your absence, her curiosity and emotional tension start building. That's when she begins missing your presence. Bonus trick. Post something that subtly shows growth. Not a quote or selfie, but progress. Maybe a gym clip, a new hobby, or being out with friends. It signals emotional strength, and women are deeply drawn to men who look unbothered yet evolving. Number 2. Reconnect through emotional memory, not words. Here's the secret most men never realize. You don't make her miss you by talking. You do it by triggering memories. Mention something that reminds her of an inside joke, a shared moment, or a feeling only you two understand. This activates her emotional memory loop, the same brain circuit linked to nostalgia and attachment. But here's where it gets powerful. When she starts feeling that pull of nostalgia, her brain begins to replay old emotions, and that's when missing you becomes almost addictive. And the most surprising part, the real spark that turns nostalgia into desire, it's hidden deep in. Number 5, because that's where emotional absence flips into emotional craving. Number 3, create curiosity through controlled silence. When you suddenly stop oversharing, you shift the power dynamic. She starts wondering what's going on in your world. Did you lose interest? Are you seeing someone else, or are you just at peace? That silence becomes louder than any text you could send. This is called the Zeigarnik effect. Unfinished emotional stories stay open in the mind until resolved. So when you pull back without explanation, she mentally replays old conversations looking for clues. Now, before we jump to the next sign, drop 8 in the comments to attract more strength and positive energy into your life. Number 4, mirror her energy, but add unpredictability. If she texts less, match that tone. If she takes longer to reply, you take even longer, but without showing attitude. Then out of nowhere, drop a short, light message like, "Hey, just saw something that reminded me of you." This unpredictability resets emotional patterns. Her brain can't predict when or how you'll show up, and unpredictability increases dopamine, the same chemical responsible for craving and attachment. Number 5, reignite emotional tension without chasing. Remember the spark we talked about earlier in number 2? This is it. The final move that transforms quiet distance into emotional desire. After a few days of calm space, reach out with something emotionally specific, not, "Hey, how are you?" but, "I just drove past that place we went that night. Felt weird not having you there." That one line hits deeper than any confession. Why? Because it connects emotional nostalgia with physical absence, a psychological combination that triggers longing. Suddenly, she starts imagining you, replaying old moments, and realizing how your presence once made her feel emotionally safe. That's when she starts to miss not just you, but how she felt when she was with you. Now that you've seen the tricks, let's go even deeper. Because psychology doesn't lie, and these next psychological facts might completely change the way you see attraction and emotional connection. Psychological distance increases dopamine anticipation. The feeling of what's next keeps attraction alive. People miss peace more than people. If you become her calm, she'll always come back. Consistency builds comfort, but unpredictability builds attraction. When you stop chasing, her subconscious starts chasing. Humans crave what's emotionally uncertain. The less available you are, the more your perceived value rises. It's called scarcity principle. Women emotionally attach through memory recall. Reminders of shared laughter trigger oxytocin release. People don't miss attention. They miss how someone made them feel about themselves. When a person loses daily contact with someone they like,
their brain experiences mild withdrawal similar to nicotine cravings. Absence increases emotional bonding. It forces the brain to fill the silence with imagination. Wait before you go. If this video just opened your eyes, smash that subscribe button right now. And that next video, the one glowing right here, tap it now. Trust me, it's not just facts. It's a cheat code for understanding people. We've got more fire coming soon. Until then, goodbye, take care, and God bless you. Amen.